If the dogs can just stop barking, that would be so amazing right now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be mixing all my highlighters together. This is my entire stash of highlights. Shout out to the ShopRite Robson box. And literally I have 26 highlighters. I even took out my LA Girl blush palettes to use the highlighters from there. I have literally mixed every single highlighter I own together. And we're gonna see what kind of color comes out of this whole mixture. I'm really excited because I have some really amazing gems in this collection, you know, like Fenty Trophy Wife and Mako Darling and stuff like that, and of course Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood. So yeah, without any further ado, let's hop on to mixing all these babies together. Okay, so this is what the mixture looks like. I'm leaving it powdery because I feel like it's gonna look way more intense. And oh my god, look at this swatch, you guys. It is so beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I mean, did you guys see what it looks like with the flash on? Like, I am dying. This reminds me so much of the Fenty Beauty Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes. I mean, let's get on to swatching this on my face because I might have an idea for this baby. You know. Okay, so I just zoomed you guys in. Sorry for my very blemished face, but I just zoomed you guys in so you guys could see this highlight up close and personal. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with a Beige Cosmetics number 7 stippling brush. Just going to dip this into the highlight. So I'm literally just packing on the highlight. This is stunning, you guys. Oh my god, this is like on the back of the hand it looks so beautiful, but like on the cheek, this looks really pretty. It's almost like a rose goldeny sort of champagne highlight. Whoa! I'm gonna pack that on the rest of my face. Whoa, you guys, this highlight is so pretty. It's like a rose goldeny sort of tone. Like, it's definitely some bronzy up in there, and like I do have some purple highlighters, and in the actual mixture you can kind of see some purple, like, you know, flicks of sparkle, but I don't see it on my face, so I guess it's like all meshed together, which is really, really nice. I mean, this is really stunning. Now, I kind of had a really good idea, because this is reminding me of the Fenty Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes, and I'm out here like, what if I mix this with body lotion to create my own version of the Fenty Beauty Body Lava in Who Needs Clothes? So I have this Good Earth Moisturizing Shea Butter Body Lotion, and I'm going to mix it with this highlighter concoction, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm really excited about this, guys, because to be honest, like the other foundation, like mixing all my foundations together, that mixture is just sitting somewhere, and I'm definitely gonna get a lot more use out of this body shimmer situation. So let's pop some lotion in and see how it goes. I'm just gonna empty out the spatula on my body, and then I'm taking a synthetic brush. I don't know, how does Rihanna do this, guys? Ooh! Pretty! I mean, if we're gonna, we might as well. I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh, look at that! Yes! I mean, I would definitely put in more pigment just so I look pretty much like a disco ball. So that is it for mixing all my highlights together. I think that this is such a stunning color, and it looks even better on my body though. Like, can we talk about it? I mean, I am living for body shimmer these days, honestly and truly. So I really enjoyed kind of mixing all of these things together, and I'm definitely going to be mixing some of my powder highlights together to add some oomph to this body shimmer situation. I mean, we attempted the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, but I mean, I don't think anybody can do body lava quite like Riri can, okay? So yeah, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!